As you know, I recently got into magnetic filters, you know, save that little bit of extra time shooting with filters on the go. So I thought it was only right that I check out these from K&F. Now, if you've been hiding under a rock, you might still think that this is just one of those random budget names that you see on Amazon and think, yeah, I'm not sure, maybe I'll risk it on AliExpress or something like that. But no, you really should pay attention to K&F, especially if you're after affordable gear. Now, I'm never paid for any of these videos. They have sent me these, but I'm going to be very honest, and I'm only going to look at them because I like the stuff that I've used from them before, and I'm fairly confident that these are going to be a decent little buy. So I picked these up. They've got gold lettering, so I'm expecting a little bit more because they're not the low end of the market. I do think that we need to talk about them. See what we get for the money then. Let's crack this one open. Of course, it's already been cracked open because I've been using both the 58mm and the 52mm version. This is the 52mm version. So we get this nice little case, handy loop on the back, another little loop there. Nice sealing around the zips and 4 decently cushioned pockets with the filters in there. You see I've already cracked these open, but I've kept them in the little cases for now. That's a nice pouch. So we've got a clear adapter ring. We have a UV filter adapter ring there. So these are both screw on, so they go straight onto your lens, one or the other. Then we've got the CPL there, magnetic CPL and magnetic ND1000. So very, very nice. So once you've got one of these on your lens, look at that, nice and strong, really good connection. As I said in a previous video, I find these magnetic systems to be very, very handy. This one also very secure. Look at that. So I think the build quality is nice. Nice little ridges around the edges there. Now, easy to take apart, but not going to fall off if you're in a rush. I think once you've got the 2 on, you can use your usual snap cap or your hood. With the 3rd one, it will definitely depend on your setup. Very nice. Let's see how they fare in the field. The whole kit is a treat to use. The filters fit really well and basically they're very sure on the lens. Now the case made life a lot easier, and I found that the filters were very easy to keep clean with a good microfiber cloth and a little care. The coatings keep things nice and clear. So yeah, sold on these magnetic filters, especially in scenes where I don't want to risk moving the frame even a millimeter, which can happen sometimes with screw-on systems. I feel confident to take these filters out to more extreme places, like, you know, standing in the middle of a river or overhanging a canyon or something epic like that. But you know, for now, local restrictions have me enjoying some more urban scenes and getting to grips with these things a little bit more. The images with these filters are very clean, sharp, barely a color cast of notes at all with this ND1000. Now, I'd have loved an ND6 or something like that, but to be fair, you get a lot of quality at this price. There's no issue with flaring, but if you shoot wider than 20mm full frame equivalent, naturally vignetting is something to keep an eye out for, but that's standard practice with filters. Go large if anything and use adapters. So yeah, all in all, a nice optical quality to them. The 99 to 139 pound, depending the filter size. It's a very tidy little kit that, to be fair, is pretty hard to fault. I'll definitely be packing this on day trips and stuff like that and enjoying it when we can go abroad again soon. Have you used these filters? Let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you very soon.